In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer Solana from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so make sure to watch till the end to find out. So let's get right into it. Step one is to actually install and set up your Coinbase wallet. So you can do this by downloading Coinbase Wallet from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and then create a new wallet. Or you can actually just log in if you already have one. Then you want to write down a 12-word recovery phrase and store it secretly. Do not show this recovery phrase to anybody. Then you want to copy your Solana wallet address. So open up Coinbase Wallet and go to receive. Select Solana from the list. Then you want to copy Solana. Then you want to copy the SOL deposit address. It always starts with SOL. For step 3, you're going to want to withdraw the SOL from Coinbase Exchange. So open up the Coinbase app or visit coinbase.com. Go to Assets, select Solana, then click Send and paste the SOL address from your Coinbase wallet. Enter the amount of SOL you want to transfer, then you just need to confirm and send it. So review the transaction details. 100% ensure that your wallet address is correct because you don't want to be sending it to some random person. Click send now and then complete any two-step verification if required. Then you just wait for Solana network confirmation. It usually is instant or it's a few minutes. Then open up your Coinbase wallet and check your SOL balance. If it doesn't appear, refresh the app and wait a few minutes. And boom, now your Solana is in your Coinbase wallet. Always double check. Some important tips I'd recommend is to always double check the Solana wallet address before sending. I'd also recommend transferring small amounts first to test before moving into large funds. Beware of scams and never share your 12 seed phrase with anyone. If this video helped you, subscribe. But for now, goodbye guys.